Welcome back to my channel. It is me, Jari Kinsey, and today I will be giving you 1 out of 3 parts of this installation video. First part, of course, is me installing this pretty wig that's on my head. The second part will be me styling it. I'm going to give a wet look. And the third will be me cutting it. I will be cutting this wig short. Yes, like I told y'all, I do love short cuts. But also, I am not doing this actually for me. I'm doing this for my mother. This is my mother's wig. I colored this wig for her by using the Wella line. More professionals use that line more than anything, but you can get it at your local beauty supply store. I know I did, and I used the color 9G to get this pretty color. But we're still not done with the wig. The wig still needs another tweak to it to give it that satisfactory look that my mother is going for. So let's get into the video, and I hope you like this wig as much as I do. Yes, this wig is human hair from Model hairline. So yes, I also wanted to add that, and I will leave all that information also in the description box down below. Let's get into this video, and love y'all.
This is Classy. She is a deep wave, full density human hair wig. I will be tying my front of my wig down to secure it for approximately 10 minutes. I know you're probably asking, what am I doing? So what I'm doing is I am combing out the glue that I had sealed in the hair with the heat, combing that out so my hair can still move and not be stiff in the front. After I separate my baby hairs that I'm going to create from the rest of the hair, I then add some Got to Be Glued so it will be easier for me to do my edges. as I continue, I will seal the glue with my heat, which will keep the hair staying in place and not move and mess up my hairline. And I will be taking my flat iron to flatten the top of my head to make it look more natural and not so wig looking. You guys know what I'm talking about. And of course, I will add my concealer to my part and around the front of my head to make it look more natural and realistic, like it's coming out my scalp.